Okay, boys. Let's see. Video number 2. John Deere 1010W stuck clutch. I have both the wheels off the ground, rear wheels, and I have the front wheels blocked. I can put this thing in any gear, even 4th or 5th. Start it up and it just sits there and, you know, runs real smooth. There's no herky jerky motion or anything. But this machine does have a limited slip rear end, and this right side wheel, it doesn't turn at all. So I don't know, I guess maybe you have to be on the ground for that to be happening. But I can barely rotate it myself by hand. So, and there is no differential lock on this machine anywhere that I can find. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this, how I'm doing this. So probably jacking it up and trying to get that jerky motion out of a 3rd or 4th gear when you to try to knock that clutch loose. That's how I have that clutch pedal depressed now. It's all the way depressed, and this thing is probably not going to knock this thing loose. This is going to be an uncut version of this video. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to put it in, let's see, that would be, that's reverse. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, that's 5th. I'm going to put it in 5th and start it up. I've already done this, otherwise I wouldn't be showing y'all. There's no benefit to jacking the tractor up and doing that. It's going forward, it looks like it's going backwards in the saddle. This wheel doesn't do anything. And we can't stop it. So, you know, that's a nice smooth rotation. The right side doesn't do anything. You need to have your machine all rigged up so you can control it like this. So there you have it, boys. We'll try it again some other day. Do some other funny idea. See y'all later.